Mariposa, mi amor. To paint the sky with you would be the fulfillment of me. And when that spectrum turns spectral, no longer vivid nor proud, an ugly visage of what was appears. Fill up that cup with patience, bitter, cold as it may now be, and watch it thaw, watch it warm. See that canvas remains hung, eager to be painted once more. Mariposa, mi amor.